What I'm going to show you in this section is the formula behind community questions that actually get engagement. By the way, polls and questions are fundamental to humans wanting to talk to each other, both digitally and in real life. They are so popular. On Mighty, you can set up an engine to just deliver these questions to you and schedule them out so that you don't have to think twice about creating questions for yourself. So we literally have hundreds of millions of data points on what makes a great question. So what makes a great question is one that has this unlocking phrase tied to a really interesting topic that's related to your community. So when you do this, first person answers it. More people see it, more people come in, they answer the question. And it turns out if you get somebody to answer a multiple choice poll, they're much more likely to then add a comment. And then as they're adding comments, they're actually meeting other people. And the more that the conversation starts to take off, the more notifications bring people back, which is why you want them to happen daily. And we have three kinds of polls. We have multiple choice polls, hot and cold polls, percentage polls. So this is all now built into your Mighty network. We call it the infinite question engine. It takes your big purpose and it will come up with a bunch of great questions that you can look at and be like, oh, that's actually really good. Or it gives me this idea for something else. These can be answered in under 30 seconds. They're not, hey guys, what do you think? Because nobody knows what to do with that question. Instead, ask, what's one? What's an unusual? Name one thing that. If you had to do X, what is the most? What is the number one? These unlocking phrases, they're all built into your Mighty network to drive that 84% average member engagement. They work. So let me just give you a couple of examples. What's the most used emoji on your phone right now? What's one amazing feat you hope to accomplish in the next 5 years? What is an unusual travel experience that you've had as a solo traveler? This gives you a sense of why these daily polls and questions that, again, you can just dial in and run on your Mighty network are so powerful and why they lead to such phenomenal member engagement. Watch the video here to learn how.